evening, each and everyone who joined our screenings. And in other places, we just had our screenings, 2 screenings at University of the Cordilleras, and now we are here at the amazing Ililikha Artist Watering Hole. Please give yourselves.
Thank you everyone to share your time with this very important event. Actually, before showing the film, I don't want to speak a lot about the film. But when I watched this film at the first time, this is a big screen, but by the maybe streaming, I fall in love. Maybe you will understand the reason why I fall in love in this film. Also, this film, very important thing is located in Baguio. So we should bring to Baguio this film. And also tonight show is that last Dito show in Baguio. Because of course this is very important place and sacred place for artist community, including the film society here. That's why I would like really to bring Dito at the last moment of Baguio show. So thank you for that. Very talented man. We had a very successful JFF, Japanese Film Festival, which already finished in Baguio. We got, according to the Yusan, we got more than 9,000 audience. So maybe let's continue your interesting in the film and also, of course, in film. So let's make something new together in the future. Thank you for coming.
Who has built this beautiful place for all of us to watch indie films and beautiful films. So,
welcome to everybody, Mr. Takashi. Yeah? Ben, I know Ben for many years. You're now inside a boat, okay? So when you're watching the film, if you feel seasick, it's not because of the boxing, but maybe you're in the boat. This is a boat to honor the first man to go around the world. Maybe most of you think it's Magellan, no? No, it's not Magellan. It's the slave of Magellan. That man there, he was somebody from our islands. He was somebody who was a Austronesian sailor. He was the slave of Magellan, but he come back home and he could speak the language here. I want to introduce that because that is why we have a special cinema here, not like in the SM. I'm sorry if your seats are not so comfortable. But anyway, enjoy the film. And one last thing, this film is especially for independent filmmakers. And I know I'm expecting also an independent film, independent in spirit. We always want to promote independent film, and this is the symbol of independent film. We always ask young filmmakers to make, especially for Filipinos, because we were colonized for 100 years, we like to, sometimes we become copycat. You know copycat? But so, as I said, no, become copycat, use your bamboo camera so that you can tell local story with local frame and with local spirit. So the bamboo camera is for independent filmmaking. Welcome, Takeshi-san, and all of you. Let's have a good time with this Japanese film. Mabuhay!
this wonderful film. It is called Dito, directed by Yuki Takashi.